when you came in, there was kind of a we'll say table stakes SCA tool in place. You made a decision to remove that. You talked a little bit earlier about the drivers for that being if you're getting a bunch of alerts and you can't act on them, what's the point? Can you talk a bit more about what triggered the decision to go look for a paid tool?
Yeah, absolutely. So, like I mentioned, if there is going to be patching stuff done in the name of security, then it's going to be our team doing it. I don't want to stop my product engineers from innovating by asking them to go patch something, and especially not by asking them to go patch something that I don't actually know if it's impactful or not. So given that there's no throwing work over the wall, all of the security work in this domain, if engineers want to upgrade a library for functionality reasons, great, they can do that kind of patching. If the patching is strictly for security, then I own it, or my team owns it. And so in that case, I really need to know, is this something that we care about or not? Because as much as we'd like to believe that patching is always safe, even for minor versions, sometimes it's not.
I mean, our data shows 95% have the potential for breaking changes.
Exactly.
That's a really shockingly high percentage.
Exactly. So every time, and also as a security team, I don't want to be known as somebody that causes instability in the system. I really care about making sure that when I do work, it's well vetted work and it's as safe as I can make it. So with all of that context, given that it's going to be my work, I want it to be safe. And I have a bunch of other stuff that I need to do as well. The first thing I needed was, is this something that we actually care about? And the very obvious answer to that is, we're pulling in tons of libraries, and those libraries pull in tons of libraries as well. And so a lot of these code paths, you get a CVE, that's on a library, and then you don't really know, is the vulnerability something that we're even dealing with?
Is it being used?
Right, yeah, because these libraries are huge sometimes. So there could be some obscure thing over here, we're not using at all. And so that is completely irrelevant. That's just noise. I don't want to look at it or think about it ever again. And so that's where the reachability analysis, that is the holy grail, right? That sifts through this giant list of vulnerabilities I have and tells me okay, here are the ones that could be relevant for you, and brings the big number down to a manageable number.